Hey, shout out to Full Squad though. You think people hate on it? Well, if it's a lot, I understand why people get to hate on things, because if it's too much of something, or it's like something they didn't expect. But usually I like to look into why people like it and why they hate it. I was like, okay, I can see why, but still, it's f***ing fire. But anyways, let's get into this, shall we? Why you got no shirt on? Like, and it's you got Fuego, what is it, a jacket, a raincoat? What are you in the hot Cheeto mess? Biden lips and shit. Alright. There is a lot happening. There is a lot happening in the beginning. Okay, first of all, the haircut. I haven't seen this type of haircut since like the freaking like early 80s or 90s. But excuse me. Yo, the way he said baby, that shit looked like he was grabbing onto something when he said baby. I like his hair too. This is interesting. Oh, this different. Hey, yo. Just trust me. Okay. What you trying? With the piano in the background too. Of course, everybody's like the little flute. What is it? What instrument is that? You're the main character in my masterpiece. Obviously. What is the concept for this? It's like cowboys, but you know, I'm not mad at this. It's a lot. Like the whole like flute and the piano in the background is kind of off-putting, but I kind of like that at the same time. Is that weird? I don't know. It's a fucking vibe. It's like Cowboy meets Las Vegas. Yeah, bad. What the fuck is he pulling? Oh my god, I didn't see that it was a freaking zipped up jacket. I thought it was like a zip. My dirty ass mind thought that was a zipper. You know, like, you know, when you zip your pants. I literally thought he was like that. And said you pulled me so hard like crazy. I'm like, excuse me. What is happening? That's so cute. Ooh. Bro, the change up in the beat too. Interesting. Johnny. First of all, he's like a tall glass of water. We already know this shit. Why are they naked? They're not naked. They're just like they're showing off. Listen, if I had that type of body, I would show it off too. I kind of like what he's wearing though, Johnny. What? I like, oh, this is kinky. He dragged me in. Ah! like that type of ish. Come with the vocals. Ooh. Oh, he's building. His titties are getting bigger. His titties are getting bigger. Oh, he been lifting. He been. Excuse me, Johnny. It was so much to take in. Pause. This is literally cowboy glam Las Vegas. I love that NCT and SM always adds vocals, like vocals. You know what I'm talking about? In the background, whether it be in the background or in forefront. Wait, okay. I know how this could be a little, like, there's a lot happening. There's a lot happening in this freaking video. Like, music video wise and song wise. But I really mess with the beat hard. Like, it's different. Like, especially with this part right here. The only thing that put me off a little bit was the beginning of Taeyong with the heavy autotune, which is not bad, but it's just like, that's the only time they usually use the autotune, it seems like. But then he caught me off guard with humping my freaking face. Music video does really fit nice. It's so interesting. And then with the piano. Sona flutes are like high pitched flutes. That's why that's supposed to play off beat. I can understand why people would say that if they want, like, it's for balances, I guess. Hey. Ooh, oh, they kept that part. Okay. Let's go. Hold up. Oh, they actually kept a lot. Ooh, yeah, they did. Okay. Bet. Tastes like. Okay, Johnny in the middle. Oh shit. I mean, I already knew it was dope, but now with a visual. Workout playlist vibes, real talk, yeah. Oh, that's so sick though. This man said, "Skirt." Say that again. Like lemonade. Hey, yo. Hype up NCT and Benji for right there too. Let's go, chat. Oof. Oh my god. Tastes like lemonade, Vision and hurricane. 안 들려 네 목소리는 noise. Tastes like lemonade, 짜릿하지 every KQ Entertainment. So I didn't see any of the preview, so I'm like going in fresh, and this man right here in the freaking middle is my man's. All right, never mind. Let's continue. I'm sorry for wasting time. I just want to put it out there that Hanju, how you doing? What an interesting beginning of a beat. Hold the fuck up. First of all, they're all wearing like leathery, like What is it? What kind of pants do you call this? Look at this man right here. This man about this man know damn well he gonna kill somebody. He gonna kill somebody with the what the fuck? You ready? Ooh, with them body rolls. Let's go. Let's go. Bro, he looks so freaking like. This man is beautiful. First of all, I was able to look him straight in the face. I couldn't even like make eye contact with him when I got to work with him. Him and Seonghwa are I couldn't like create eye contact sometimes. How's this gonna go? Ooh. Ooh, chills. I don't know, but like this gives me like old school vibes too. Oh, the little like dun dun ooh. Bro, badass. What a badass. Nah, I'm sorry. We gotta. Oh, and Mingi comes up next. All right. We gotta replay that ish. We gotta replay that ish. Bro, he knows he's the main character in there. Like in this scene, he knows he's damn well the main character. Like right here, bruh. He gave me, you know what he gives me? And this is not like no disrespect. I don't know how you feel about Death Note or Light Yagami, but he gives me Light Yagami vibes. Like right here, like he going like, bitch, I'm gonna write your name in the Death Note. Watch. Ooh. What's up, baby? Yo.
You're really into it.
You already know. It's good to see Mingi back, actually. He killed that shit too. That was hot. Like the way they just moved in. Bro, the dance is lit. It gives me really old school vibes just based on the pants and like the where it's filmed too. And Yo song in the middle, just controlling the middle right there. You know what this gives me? Like the whole like parking lot gives me that KQ Fellas vibes. I don't know if you ever guys knew about that. Like before AT's debut, it was KQ Fellas, right? Am I wrong? But it gives me that, especially when they're wearing all black. Jungho. Ooh. Okay, you know this costs money. Ooh. Oh, throwback to like their old stuff. I like the sound of this one. It sounds old school, feel like old school, like pop and R&B. And ooh, okay, we love wet dancers. Yeah, this is a good change. It's sexier. It's a lot sexier. Like more. It's not like the super hard like. AT's is like. Oh, and Mingi. Okay, Mingi, let's pop off. Hangju, that's my boy right there. Whoa, this is different. I like the difference in this. You know how usually like AT's goes like super hardcore, like brr, brr, like But this was more like da 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 da, but like hard dancing at the same time. I fuck with it. ATEEZ is growing. Yeah, they're growing. I'm actually probably gonna add this to the playlist. I like this. Bro, San with like short hair though. It hit different. That's dope. Bro, the stair icons are right here. It's not as explosive as the previous stuff. I love the switch. I love the switch. What's up, Army Haley? How you doing? Oh, there's more in the end? Oh, my bad. Oh, there is more at the end. Let me see this. Deja vu. I like to keep the concept of the Sand of Time. Interesting.
Hey, you better subscribe.